Assalamualaikum. Hello my dear students. How are you? Hope you all are fine. At first, I welcome you to the online classes. Today, I will discuss about an easy topic by the name of sentence connector. Already, you have noticed the whiteboard on where I have written down some rules on sentence connector. I will discuss this topic easily to you, inshallah, if Allah takes pity on me. So we are going to be introduced with this topic. At first, I will say to you, dear students, follow me. I have written three types of sentences: simple, complex, and compound. I will suggest to you all, if you want to complete the answer for sentence connector, you have to learn the structure of three types of sentences. That means for these questions you will be given three types of sentences: sentence simple, sentence complex, and sentence compound. When you will be given simple sentence is such a sentence in which sentence you will get the presence of subject and predicate. That means principal clause means simple subject sentence. On the other hand, simple sentence means principal clause. So, when you will try your level best to connect any simple sentence, you have to know the foundations of some adverb or adverbial phrases. I have written simple sentence will be connected by adverb or adverbial phrases. Adverb or adverbial phrases. Adverb: thus, so, again, generally, commonly, in the real sense. On the other hand, actually, like this adverb or adverbial phrases, you will get numerous adverb or adverbial phrases such as in the real sense. For this reason, for example, on the other hand, on the contrary. That means various kinds of adverb and adverbial phrases have been given in your grammar book. There you will get those kinds of adverb and adverbial phrases. That means if you want to connect any simple sentence as a sentence connector, you have to use adverb or adverbial phrases. Then that sentence will be connected properly and without mistake. Next, complex sentence. That means when you will connect any complex sentence, you have to meet with some subordinating connectors. subordinate connectors are such as since, as, if, though, although, in case, till, until, lest, so that, and W question who, whom, which, where, how, why. That means there are some subordinating connectors and W questions which always help us to connect any complex sentence as a connector. That means when you will connect any complex sentence, you have to use these types of subordinating connectors or WH question. Got you? I think if you all follow these rules, you must be able to write down the correct answer for the question's sentence connector. Again, compound sentence. If you want to connect any compound sentence, you have to know the uses of some coordinating conjunction. That means compound sentence is built with the help of coordinating conjunction, and I have written those types of conjunctions: and, but, or, yet, both, not only, but also, either, or, neither, nor. That means these types of coordinating conjunction will help us to connect any compound sentence as a sentence connector. So, at the very beginning of our class, we became introduced with some rules for sentence connectors, and I will say to you all, this topic is very easy, and any class student or any type of students can perform this topic easily or correctly, but he or she must try with these types of rules. So, simple, complex and compound. Now I will write some simple sentences. For example, Babul is a student. He reads regularly his friend Kamal doesn't read regularly. My dear students, I have written three types of simple sentences. Babul is a student. He reads regularly. His friend Kamal doesn't read regularly. Already I have told that if you want to connect any simple sentence, you have to use some adverbs or adverbial phrases. So, Babul is a student. He reads regularly. So, he reads regularly. His friend Kamal does not read regularly. On the other hand, here I used an adverb and here I also used an adverbial phrase. That means simple sentence always will be connected with adverb or adverbial phrases. Got you? I think you got something about this topic. Now I will write down a complex sentence. I must go there. You want. Simul saw a snake. He was going to college. Dear students, you are noticing two types of complex sentences which have been written on the whiteboard. I must go there. You want. So this is a complex sentence. If you want. If is a subordinating connector and I must go there if you want. Similarly, Simul saw a snake when he was going to college. So, I think if you try your level best to this array, you all must be able to complete any kind of sentence connector. Yes, this is very easy topic for all type of students. I am ending my class here. In the next class, I will discuss with this topic details. So, everyone have a nice day. Assalamu alaikum. Allah Hafiz.